Hello learners, I welcome you all to this mathematics class. Today we will have a discussion about LCM. LCM you know, lowest common multiple. When we add some fractions or subtract fractions, we use this one. You know how to calculate LCM, but today we will discuss how to calculate LCM without pen and paper. So how it would be possible? So come, let's discuss about it. Suppose we are to add 3 by 20 and 5 by 12. Here we are to take LCM of 20 and 12. How could we calculate? We calculate by doing this process, by factorization method. It is not necessary for us to do factorization and finding the factors down by down. So here we will have discussion first. Suppose two numbers are equal. So what would be the LCM? The same number will be the LCM. Suppose they are equal or same. So same number will be the LCM. You can take example 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So here 5 and 5, two 5s are there. So it is not necessary to find out LCM. The 5 would be the LCM. LCM is 5. If they are not equal, one would be the greater and one would be the smaller. Suppose the greater is a multiple of the smaller one. First case, they are not equal means the greater and smaller numbers are there. The greater is the multiple of the smaller one. Then what would be the LCM? It is not necessary to find out the LCM. The greater is the LCM. If the greater is a multiple of the smaller one, then the greater is the LCM. Suppose we have to add 7 by 10 and 3 by 5. So here we have to calculate the LCM of 10 and 5. So it is not necessary. We do like this, 10, 5 and do like this. It is not necessary here. Automatically 10 will be the LCM. Second case, if they are not equal, then they may be co-prime, they may not be co-prime. Co-prime you know, if they don't have any common factor, that is co-prime. Just you see 7 and 5. Just you see 7 and 5. They are prime numbers and co-prime also because they have only one factor, that is 1. But 7 and 10. 7 and 10. 7 is prime but 10 is not prime. 10 is composite because 2 is its factor and 5 is another factor. And here what we have to do? Just we have to multiply them. If the numbers are co-prime, then the product is the LCM. Suppose here we have to add here 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. Here it is not necessary to find out the LCM like this. Just you multiply 7 and 5, you will get 35. 7 5 is 35. So 35 is the LCM. Here also 7 and 10. 7 10 is 70. Not necessary to do like this process. Then we will come number 3. I expect you all, those who are watching this video, those who want to learn it, they may note them down. If the numbers have some common factors, then here in this case 20 and 12, what would we do? It is not necessary to do like this, 20 and 12. You see, their common factor, their common factor may be 2, their common factor may be 4. Yes, it is not necessary. Just what to do? Just you have to calculate the multiple of the bigger one. Then the least one, which is divisible by the smaller, then it would be the LCM. You read this process. If the numbers have some common factors, then find out the multiples of the bigger one. Then the least one, which is divisible by the smaller one, would be the LCM. So you can see here 20 and 12. 20 and 12. So which one is bigger? 20 is bigger. So find out all the multiples of 20. 21 is 20. Can it be divisible by 12? No. Leave it. 22 is 40. Can it be divisible by 12? No, leave it. 23 are 60. Can it be divisible by 12? Yes. So this least one, this 60 is the LCM. So it is not necessary to do like this. We can take another example also. Suppose you see 10 and 8. 10 and 8. So bigger one is 10. So we have to calculate the multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10. Yes. 10 is not divisible by 8. Leave it. 10 twos are 20. 20 is not divisible by 8. 10 threes are 30. 30 is not divisible by 8. 10 fours are 40. Yes, 40 is divisible by 8. So 40 will be the LCM. By this process, we have to find out LCM within our mind, within our thinking. So it is not necessary to use pen and paper, but we have to concern that we have to know the tables. So students, I think this process will be helpful for you and you can understand the tricks. So thank you for watching this video class. Have a good day. Bye bye.